What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Stoli and Gigi. You think they're two different types of dogs, but he's technically the mini golden doodle. Right, Stoli? And Gigi is too. But I swear, he's my mini golden retriever that barely sheds. What's going on, ladies and gentlemen? It's Friday. Love me Fridays. Friday the 6th of September 2024. And if you love me Fridays too, go ahead right now. I want you to go ahead right now. Take a quick 10-second, 2-second, hot minute. Smash that thumbs up button. What are you waiting for? I want to vent out a little bit. I want you guys to be my psychologist. Maybe you can even act as my parole officer. I don't got one of those anymore. It's been about 20 years, in case you're wondering. Nope. I'm on the straight arrow. And we plan, and God laughs. I tell you, we plan, and God laughs. I plan to join Mr. Thomas Bowfinger in Orange County, Seminole County, Central Florida, to expand on Plumbing by Tom, offering prompt, professional, courteous plumbing, cooling, and heating services to those in the Orlando, Windermere, Winter Garden region with just, I would like to call it, phenomenal service. But like I said, we plan. And let me say, the almighty man, he's just laughing. He's laughing his balls off right now. And for all those who are offended by that, I'm sorry. I was about to drop an F-bomb right there, but I'm sorry. So, I planned on adding HVAC services to the Plumbing by Tom organization. I didn't want to start a brand new business, in a locale, in an area that I don't live in, I didn't want to do that, because that's a lot of effing work. I did that here in New York, and you know what? Jeez, 15 years later, man, about 15 years later, maybe more. No, 16 years later. It's still, a challenge and difficult sometimes when, the phone isn't ringing and you have mouths to feed, you know what I mean? Mouths to feed. And I'm not exaggerating. Mouths to feed is a lot of responsibility. There's a lot resting on my shoulders. It really is. But the sense of being part of another's success in life is literally second to none. The fact that I have a family member on the Pipe Doctor team, Daniel, who I consider family, the fact that I have someone on our team who started several years ago, and here we are now in 2024. By the end of this year, God willing, he'll have achieved something that most 25-year-olds could never comprehend, and then some, all their lives would not have achieved this milestone in life, which is home ownership. So when I say I got a lot on my shoulders, I sure the hell do. There's a lot on my shoulders, and I got a lot of mouths to feed. So it all comes down to, listen, I was not going to go into Florida and start a brand new business without being there. Basically being a one-man show without being there. But Mr. Thomas Bowfinger made sure that that was actually going to be the case. And you know what? I'm not going to lie. I'm not going to bullshit. I am not going to put lipstick on a pig. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to keep it real, right? It's been a pain in the ass. It's literally been a pain in the ass. And you know what? When you have 2 trucks down in Florida, that are financed, keeping it real, you have an employee that's getting paid full time, right? You have insurances that you need to maintain. Man, it's effing expensive. It really is. And when you're literally answering maybe and going on a call maybe, I'm just keeping it real, let's say twice, God willing 3 times a week, and it's more like once a week. It hurts, but I'm in it for the long haul. I am not giving up. We're going to make it happen. We're going to make moves together, because my philosophy of making the trades great again couldn't be further from the truth, because it's facts. I am going to do my best to play my position and make the trades great again. It's going to happen. I am motivated and I am dedicated. And man, I'm balls effing in. I ain't going nowhere. And I look at these other contractors in Central Florida with hundreds, some even have thousands of Google reviews. It's sickening. It's sickening, because I've actually seen the quality of work that some of these guys do, and it's effing pathetic. It really is an effing joke that these guys, undersized ductwork, make it an effing mess. It's really disgusting. And they call themselves licensed professionals? Come on, man. So, you know what? We plan and God laughs. I really thought that, and I honestly believed that adding HVAC services to an established plumbing contracting business that specialized mostly in residential stuff, but you know what? They say it's hard to teach an old dog new tricks, and fuck, that is the absolute effing truth. It really is. Because you can't teach that mother effer anything. Sure can't. My God. The waste and just the financial and fiscal irresponsibilities of this man is disgusting. And the fact that he has three bankruptcies between him and his wife is disgusting. And you know what? I honestly believe in, giving people, a chance in life. I've been there, you can't judge a book by its cover. And regardless of what people did in the past, you forgive that. But, when you're stealing money from the company, and then I look up and you have, and this is allegedly because I can't find the conviction, and then you have a person with the same exact name from the same exact town in Pennsylvania arrested by the FBI for computer fraud, for breaking into your plumbing contractor's, boss's computer to falsify payroll records. Well, some things are hard to swallow, but, I can let things go and I could, move on, and we learn from our mistakes in the past. Because listen, I've been there before. I've done it. I've done a couple of years and with the state of New York, so it's just something hard to swallow, and not being upfront and forthwith about it, is really kind of like shows me the kind of quality and the person that this guy is. But I got to give him credit. We do have a financial agreement in place, and he is fulfilling his obligation on that, because he knows I will put every single effing shark on his ass quickly. He won't know what the fuck hit. So here we are on a lovely Friday in New York. It's 62 degrees here. Friday morning, walking the dogs. I was supposed to be in Florida yesterday and today, but Delta screwed me. So, walking the dogs, I'm gonna head to the office. Figured I'll give you a little rant, and you know what? Life handed me some lemons at this stage of life. And I'm making effing lemonade that everyone's gonna be drinking. My family, your family, my entire team's family. We're gonna make it happen. And I gotta ask you guys for a favor. I do. And if you do this favor, I will send you a swag package. You know what? Regardless of where you live in this world, I have some international first-class mail stamps. If you do me this solid, I'll even buy you a Happy Meal if you're in the Long Island, New York City metropolitan area. Or if you want to make a date, we'll set a date and time. And I'll buy you a drink down in Central Florida, Orlando, next time I'm there. Can you guys help me? And I'm not asking for a lot. But if you're watching this, the chances that you have a Google Gmail account are practically guaranteed. It's a sure thing. As of the time of recording this, which is 7:40 a.m. on this Friday, the 6th of September, Pipe Doctor Home Services, for our location in Central Florida, Orlando, has 63 Google reviews on our GMB profile page. 63. If any of you have watched any of my videos on the Mikey Pipes Orlando YouTube channel, which is the YouTube channel for my Florida operation, my Florida location. If any of you have watched that video, I would appreciate that you leave me, my family, an honest review. Whether it's hopefully not 1 star, right? But hopefully it's 4 or 5 stars. 5 stars, we all strive for that, right? And if you are so inclined to write a little description of what makes you leave that 5-star review, that would be awesome. What would really, really kill Google search and ranking, you know, with the AI bots that figure out this algorithm that I don't even think Larry Page knows what it's about. But if you were to add a picture of the air conditioning unit or the water heater that I helped you work on virtually, you know, that would be really, really awesome. Really, really awesome. And as a token of my appreciation, if you email me, mike@mikeypipes.com, I will send you my love in an envelope that you can plaster on your equipment if you haven't done so already. So this video is for the Mikey Pipes Uncensored channel. I did my best to not curse. Some of you don't like it, so I'm reaching out to you, the ones that don't like me cursing. I know I dropped an F-bomb here or two there, but nowhere near the amount I normally do. So that's got to really, really, really show you how committed I am to making this happen. Guys, before midnight today, I need 100 Google reviews. 100. We're at 63. Okay, there's a link in the description box down below. Please take 30 seconds of your day right now. If you've watched any of my Mikey Pipes Orlando YouTube channel videos, please just do me that solid. And since beggars don't want to be choosers, if you want to share that link with others that have also experienced the love that I can deliver, oh my God, I would be like in heaven. I would really be in heaven. And I know that once I have the reviews and once I get blended in with the algorithm, I will make those effing hacks in Florida run for the hills. They're gonna be scared shitless Guys, it's disgusting what goes on down in Florida. It really is. It's really, it should be like a crime what these guys are doing. It's disgusting. One of the last videos that I did with Tom Bowfinger, when it was Plumbing and Air by Tom, and then Pipe Doctor Home Service of Central Florida, which lasted like, I don't know, a week before I had to sever that relationship like cancer growing on my testicles. The shit that I was seeing before my very eyes by a top-ranked Google HVAC contractor, right? That's right off of West Colonial in Winter Garden. We had a 5-ton carrier system relocated, and they had 10-inch flex for a return plenum. How does it even make any sense? So guys, I'm reaching out to you. I really am. The thousands of viewers, they're going to watch this video, God willing, in the next 24 hours or less. Take a moment, please. Take 30 seconds. It would really mean a lot to me. It really would. Thanks, guys. That was a little moment of silence for those who have been tortured, mutilated, and then killed by vicious savages, heinous creatures who went into the state of Israel on October 6th. Absolutely disgusting. Sorry, I didn't have my coffee yet. We will never forget October 7th. God bless America. God bless us all. Catch you on the next one. Be well. God bless. Stay safe.